What's good, YouTube? It's your boy T. Back again today with another Soul Supremacy Beetle box. No high-end box today, man. This is a $575 box. I do got some high-end boxes coming. I think I spent like $2,800 bucks for some big boxes coming through. Those videos be up, of course, when I get the boxes in. But we're gonna focus on this one, man. $575. I like this price range. Pretty easy to flip a profit. Of course, the profit margin isn't as big, but that's fine. We're gonna jump right in, see what we got. I know you guys like when we get straight to it. This box got a big old gash in it. I don't know if they dropped it or what happened with that. This box is beat up. $575 box. Gonna start off with the loose pairs first. Or the loose pair first, because it looks like we only got one. We got those classics, the white cement 4s, no box. Looks like they are a size 12. Jumpman on the back, no Nike Air, unfortunately. But not bad. Solid little kick around shoe. This is a grail for a lot of people, for a lot of OG sneakerheads. Check out the toe box, or the cap. Still got a lot of stars on there, but not the perfect condition at all. And it looks like someone tried to put some little aglets on the shoelaces. I'm pretty sure you can take those off somehow. But yeah, size 12. Only pair in this box without a box. We got some Reeboks, the Iversons, the Legacies. These bring back a lot of memories, man. I remember I wanted these when I was a kid. Not this particular colorway, but this model. These are the Iversons, man. These are a size 9.5. The shoe looks dead stock. I do have a little mark right here I'll try to get off. But check out the bottom. Very dope. OG Iverson. Size 9.5 on those. I ain't gonna pull out both of them. Baby blue, red, and white is a dope colorway when those colors together look good to me. Alright, we got the Kamikaze 2 and a 9.5. Are they dead stock? No, these are not dead stock, so I'm gonna take out both of them. We got the Kamikaze joints, size 9.5. Another shoe that brings back some good old memories. But check those out, the Reeboks. One of the Reeboks that actually look cool. Check them out. I know a lot of you OG sneakerheads that watch can appreciate this kind of stuff, man. All us old folks. Size 9.5 on those. Box is in great shape. Unless I damage it trying to put the shoe back in. Nope, we still in great shape. Size 9.5. Alright. See something at the bottom of this box. I don't know if it's good or bad. Alright, man. So we got a Nike Air Max 98, size 10. Air Max 98 is dope. I like 97, 98. This colorway to me is just fire. I've seen these on Sneaker Steals and I almost grabbed them off one of them little late night Twitter sessions I was having when I was shopping. I never post on Twitter. I don't even have a Snapchat or nothing like that. If I have a Twitter, it is mainly just for Soul Supremacy and those little sneaker pages that be throwing those deals up randomly. These right here had went up for like $130 or something like that, free shipping. And these are size 10. I need at least a 10.5. These are dope, man. I love the gray and I love that mint green in there. Yeah, I know I'm a fiend for running shoes and gym shoes. These would go so hard at the gym. We got a StockX sticker, so we'll take that out. It might cause some doubt. StockX cool, man. Sometimes. All right. That's the Air Max 98 super dope, size 10 on those. We got a Jordan 1 box. You know we gotta save the Jordan 1 box for last. I thought it was a credit card in the bottom of this box. Not no credit card. All right, Nike Air Metal Max, size 9.5. This box is just full of like old sneakers. Like, these are dead stock. Check these out. I like the color, super clean. Maybe not the best for winter time. I don't know. These are hard though to me. I don't know. I like them. Size 9.5. Probably super comfortable. They look kind of bulky, but they got that air bubble in the back. Dead stock, so I'm not taking out both of them. These are a 9.5 in men, 11 in women. So I guess it's a unisex shoe. So that's dope. Brand new in the box. You know what? I'm still gonna save the 1 box because I know what this is, and I still have the last pair I had. I thought I had some crazy gold last time I got these, and I still haven't moved them. We got a Hyper Adapt 1.0 in the size 10, so this is actually the same size I got. Lord, please don't let it be the same color. No, not the same color. These are like a royal blue colorway. I don't know the nickname for these. They do come with the charger. You guys remember when these first came out, man? Things were going for like $1,000 a piece. Now I have 2 pair in the size 10. I have that bread Earl colorway, whatever you want to call it. And I have these. These are again size 10. These are not dead stock. That would have been cool. But this is a $575 box, so this is still a pretty good pickup for this price range box. You guys know about these, the auto lacing. If you're unfamiliar, you hit the button if they charged up. Yeah, so these are charged up. Check that out. You hit the button, boom. It buckles down to your feet. Hit the button, it releases. So it's like that auto lacing technology for those who are unfamiliar with these. I mean, the technology in them is dope. And yeah, you have to charge them up and all of that. Back to the future stuff. With the box. So I don't know what those are worth, but here we go. We got a size 10 Air Jordan 1. Dang. You guys remember these, the Phantom joints. These are a cool little colorway, man. These are a cool colorway to me. I'm checking them out before I show you guys. Boom, switch it up. All right, check it out. We got the Phantom Air Jordan 1s. Had these before, they sold mad quick. I think they were 8.5. I remember because I was trying to do a trade deal here locally for, I can't even say what I was trying to trade them for, to a friend of mine. Yeah, that's all I can say about that. Anyway, I had these before, they went real quick. Size 10, no, size 11. So this is the wrong box. I thought I got a glimpse of that tag, and I was hoping I didn't have 2 mismatched shoes. This box says a size 10, and it looks like the colorway on the box is correct, so maybe somebody got the box wrong. Anyway, these are a size 11, so no OG box on these. Still has Nike Air on the insoles. Very dope. Not super high priced. I don't think they are. I'm pretty sure they're not. Again, $575 box, so wasn't expecting no breads or royals or shadows or nothing like that. Not disappointed with this box at all, man. $575 box for like the 10th time I've said that. Pretty solid, man. Hopefully those Hyper Adapts are worth something. Hopefully they actually sell. Hit that eBay link, man. I know I've been saying them for like the last 20 billion videos. I have not been posting on eBay, but check it out though. Some shoes are on eBay. Not all the shoes are on eBay. It should be at least, I don't know, anywhere between 5 and 10 auctions going right now when you guys hit that link. Also, make sure you hit the for sale page on Instagram. I got so many pair of shoes in right now. I'm just posting them everywhere. So if you see the video, you can DM me or email me. I try to let you guys see the video first before I throw them up sometimes. So hit me up, man, if you see anything you like. TGOTSOLE for sale on IG, or TGOTSOLE on IG. Everything should be posted. I'm trying to remember if there was anything else I want to say. Like I said, I got 2 more boxes coming. Both of those boxes are over $1,000 bucks. So there should be some heat, man. Hopefully, man. Hopefully, this was a little cheap box, but we got 2 expensive boxes coming, I believe, like in the next 4 to 5 days. I'm behind on posting videos. Make sure you hit that sub button. Make sure you hit that bell. All that cool stuff that people say. And I think that's out. I'm having my mind went blank, so I don't know what else to say to y'all. I think that's it, man. I'm out. Peace.